Of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Good day, everyone. I'm your English teacher, Laza Salim from Multan Public School and College. I hope you all would be spending quality time with your parents and with your books as well. Let's start our lesson. So, take out your Oxford Discover student book of class 4. Dear students, we are going to start our unit number 3, page number 30. Today, our topic is Hidden Army Clay Soldiers of Ancient China. As you can understand very clearly from the topic what we are going to study about. These are the soldiers that are made of strong clay, which is called terracotta. Dear students, it is 210 BC. BC stands for before Christ, the moment before battle. The Chinese emperor got built-up soldiers with terracotta. Terracotta is a strong kind of clay that they were more than 2000 years old. It is very interesting that they were not real, but no two soldiers were alike. They were completely different from one another in size, but they were the size of real soldiers. Terracotta warriors, ancient China's legendary underground army. Now we will discuss their uniform. Their uniforms were different but exact copy of what real soldiers wore. The lowest ranking soldiers have the plainest uniform, but the general wore the most elegant uniform. Some of their caps had feathers. You can see an image of a clay general. It shows how he looked 2000 years ago. Every single soldier in the emperor's army was painted with bright colors. So were the terracotta horses. This is the image of terracotta warriors. There was another interesting thing, that was terracotta horses. These are terracotta horses. Now, page number 31. But today, it is the matter of great wonder, rather mystery, for craftsmen and archaeologists. How ancient Chinese people made the army with terracotta, when modern craftsmen have better kilns than those of ancient times. But no copies ever came out as hard and shiny as the original. Another bigger mystery is that the emperor died at the age of 49 and was buried inside the tomb in a heavy bronze coffin. Here you can see the image of archaeologist and craftsman. It was the customs of ancient times to dress the dead body of someone important in suit. It was made from hundreds pieces of thin jade, which was more precious than gold. The Chinese government has decided not to open the tomb until archaeologists give assurance that the tomb can be opened without damage any of the treasure inside. The emperor died when he was 49 years old. 3 years after his death, peasants rose up against the empire. One of their leaders started a new royal family. Yet now, millions of people come to the emperor's burial place. They visit the covered pits to see the clay soldiers. The emperor lives on in the memory of all who see his amazing hidden army. So, some difficult words and their meanings. Kilns. Kilns are ovens that bake clay until it hardens. Archaeologist, a person who studies the past by looking at objects or parts of buildings that are found in the ground. Peasant, a person who lives in the country that works on a small piece of land. A poor person who lives in the country that works on a small piece of land. Jade, a hard green stone that is used for making jewelry. Treasure, a collection of gold, silver jewelry, or other things that are worth a lot of money. So, here is your homework. You will read this unit for 2 times and learn the difficult words and their meanings. So, students, God bless you and good luck.